perspective now. Our next guest thinks today's results are going to be lackluster, but still sees opportunity ahead if the company can pinpoint its long-term self-driving strategy. Joining us on set is our friend Nancy Tengler, CEO and CIO at Laffer Tengler Investments. Nancy, welcome. Good to have you with us. I have to say that I am skeptical that a robotaxi is a savior for this company.
I think the market agrees with you, Tyler. Listen, this is a CEO who...
I mean, not that the company needs savioring, you know.
Well, right, but I mean, it has been a bumpy patch, to be sure. This is a CEO who thrives in chaos, and it really bothers everyone around him, including the investors. When I first got into the stock, it doubled. This was like 2018, 16 maybe. It doubled, and then he started smoking pot on the Joe Rogan show, sleeping on the factory floor. People were quitting right and left, and so I got out at I took a double. And it's up 555% since when I sold it. So I think what you have to be willing to do is sort of suspend your logic and look at the ways the company could pivot. And this is a pivot point. I mean, margins are shrinking, self-inflicted. Took some share. He still has over 50% share of the EV market. Margins are still the best in the auto industry. But I think you want to look at things like the mega battery business, which is utility-grade batteries that are growing at 50% a year. They're the lowest cost provider.
Don't underestimate that, in other words.
Exactly.
This is not just a car company.
No, but it's trading on that.
It's trading as a car company.
Yeah, but it's a tech company.
Back to the robotaxi. I'm not sure. Does a robotaxi have to have a driver in it? Because if it doesn't, and those taxis have some malfunction at some point, even they just can't navigate around some construction that's gone up overnight, they're going to become very unpopular with other motorists
very quickly,
and town councils very fast.
That's right. So I live in Scottsdale, and I commute a third of a mile, and every morning
a whole third of a mile.
It is rigorous, and sometimes I'm late.
What a burden you have to face.
But I see a Waymo car every single day coming and going. So they're all over the place. I've seen them red lights. I've seen them kind of have a little difficulty in parking lots. But I think the data is getting better and better, and most all of them do not have a driver. So to be the second sort of adapter in this particular space, I think will be an advantage for Tesla.
You like the stock?
If it sells off today, and we have very low expectations, and even if it doesn't, we're going to be adding to it. It's not a major holding. We acquired it in January of last year at about 104 a share. We sold it in the low to mid 200s, and we bought some a little too soon at 180. I'll be adding to it in here because I think 3 to 5 years, you're going to be glad you own the stock.
Let me switch gears. I read one of your notes, and you seem a little put out with Jay Powell.
Don't tell him.
I just did, I'm afraid.
I am, Tyler. I am so tired of the flip-flopping. And, you know, I've been at this over 40 years. I've never seen a more hapless, dissatisfactory Fed chairman. And now we're in a mode where I think the market is not listening again, and we're paying attention to earnings. But we are starting to see a slowdown in some of the industrial names. We're getting, you know, they're beating on earnings, but they're lowering guidance. We're seeing it in the consumer staples names. So I think they're going to cut this year. But I'm still drawing an analogy to the 1990s where, you know, Fed Chairman Greenspan cut 3 times, let it ride, after aggressively raising rates in 94.
I think of this moment as in a very polite, measured version of Jim Cramer's famous rant where he said, "They know nothing! They know nothing! What are they thinking?" You remember well, I'm sure.
Yeah, I do. But I think what bothers me the most is their models don't work. And yet they keep repeating them. And so there was an article in the Wall Street Journal I referenced in my notes, can't remember the title, where he basically said, why is the Fed always wrong about inflation? Their models don't include fiscal spending. Chairman Greenspan was very well aware that fiscal spending was inflationary. And he didn't opine necessarily, but he went to Congress, and when they grilled him, he said, stop spending money. So,
Nancy, great to see you.
You too.
Thanks and I really commiserate with that third of a mile commute every day. Nancy Tengler.